Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn English Standard 6 lesson number 3.1 and the chapter's name is It Can Be Done. So here the chapter It Can Be Done, it's a poem. So now we are going to start the poem. Now in this poem you can see there are so many pictures. The pictures are starting from the stone age to the new technology. So here in the story the writer has explaining about the thinking of the people who were staying in the means who were from stone age, right? So first we are going to read the poem and then we'll go ahead. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can be done. In Solomon pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he power, had effect, the history of the human race were have to no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraph, no telephone would linger the age of stone. The world should sleep of things were run by a man who says it can be done. And the poem writer's name is not given, it is written anonymous. Anonymous means the poem writer has not given his name. So it's the poem writer name is not there. So first we are going to start the first two lines. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can be done. Now the man who always used to means he used to sit and think that he's missing all the fun of his life and saying it can be done ahead means it will be automatically going to do, means things are not going to be done automatically. Okay, we have to do it. But the person who is saying it can be done, so here what is the hold the thinking, what he is thinking and what happened with the person who thinks like that it can be done, this all explanation it is given in this poem. In Solomon pride it stands aloof. Okay, now here in Solomon pride the meaning is given here. It means looking very serious, grand and important. And stand aloof. Aloof means separately, means those people who says that it can be done, those people are always be stands aloof. Aloof means separately without getting involved in anything. And greets each venture with reproof, means he greets means he always thinks, he means adventure, adventures. Venture means adventures are the risky task. Okay, so they always thinks it can be, it we can't do it, it is a risky things. So he says it can be done without taking any risk, any doing any adventure of the life, and they are just not involving with anyone and not doing anything and saying it can be done. Had he power, had effect, the story of human race means they had a power to affect means wipe out, remove, means they had a power to change the history. They means the people those who are saying that it can be done means they are not having that kind of power to change the world, change the human race, change the history. Okay, we have no radio, no motor cars, no street lit by electric stars, means there were no uh, electric stars, motor cars, radio, telephone in the stone age. No telephone, no telegraph, we linger with the age of stone. The world should be asleep if things were run by men who says it can be done. Means the things will get over if we'll not do anything, if we'll not try anything, if we'll not search, will not invent, will not do new ideas, will not do new creative things, will sit like that at home and thinking it can be done by automatically, then the world will be going to be over. Okay, so in the life we can't think that it can be done automatically. We have to do, we have to invent, we have to search, we have to create new ideas in the life. If we think like that, the world would slip of things were run by men who says it can be done. Those people who are saying like that it can be done, for them the world is nothing. Okay, so for the world, for us, for the society, for the country, for the city, we have to do something and we have to create ideas. Because of that only the pictures are given in this poem. It is showing from the stone age to the new generation. Now the people who were doing who is making this fire from the stone, and who invented wheel from 6,000 years ago. So that's then they, after doing that, they started farming, they do agriculture thing, then they invented lights, then radio, plane, then telephone, then now we have reached till the moon also. Okay, the generation is changing, the technologies are changing, and that is important. In this, the writer is saying that is all things are very important to the human being to do. Okay, here the poem is end. Now we have pointers over here. Answer the following question in one sentence each. So first question is says, A, who misses all the fun? So you can write the answer. The man who says it can be done is misses all the fun. Okay, the man in the poem who says it can be done, he misses all the fun. Now second question, B, what does the title of the poem says? The title of the poem says we can do anything what we wish, what we are wishing. Okay, the title of the poem says we can do anything what we are wishing. Now question C says, what does the man who misses all the fun do? Now the answer is the man who misses all the fun remains unfriend. Okay, here the answer is given in the first line. Okay, means he'll be he feels that he is separately without getting involved in anything. So here the answer is the man who misses all the fun remains unfriend, distant. Okay, why does he misses all the fun? So the question is, why does he misses all the fun? The answer, he believes that dangerous task can't be done. Okay, the answer is, why does he misses all the fun? So he is saying that he believes that the dangerous task can't be done. Now question E, what would he do if he had power to do it? He would even the answer is, he would even wipe out the history of the human race. Okay, or if he is having power to do it, so what he will do? The answer is, he would even wipe out the history of human race. What examples of men's progress have given in the poem? So what are the examples are given? Men's progress. So invention of telephone, invention of motor cars, electricity, telephone, telegraph. These are the example given in the poem. Now second question is, from group list a few articles of everyday use, discuss how they can be improved. So now in their life, the few things which we are doing every day, like only studies, okay, for example studies we do every day. So what we can do to improve our studies, that article you have to write. What you have to do, so you have to write few lines for it, because to improve our study we have to write, we have to read, we have to solve the question answers to improve our studies. So this is we have to discuss with group. Okay, now third question, from pair, discuss the prepare the list which can be and will be done in future. 5 things means, in from pairs means you have to sit in the pair and discuss and prepare a list. You have to make a list, the things can be and will be done in future, means in the future what 5 things will be done. Okay, so this is you have to done. So fourth question is, complete the following sentence using your ideas. So first is I can, second is they can, and third is we can. So first is you can write I can do it. Second, they can improve it. We can solve this. These are the question answer we have to do is in this poem. Now this poem is over. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.